All right, adventurers and deal hunters, listen up. Amazon's early Black Friday sales are live, and the outdoor section is packed with unbelievable discounts. But with so many options, it's tough to find the real gems. That's where we come in. We've done the digging to bring you the top 12 must-have outdoor deals right now. These are quality products from brands you trust, at prices you won't see again for a long time. Links to everything are in the description below, but don't wait. These stocks are flying. Let's kick things off with a lifesaver for any trip. Number 12. The Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. For just $45.95, this palm-sized filter is your ticket to safe drinking water anywhere. It removes 99.999999% of bacteria, 99.9999% of protozoa, and 100% of microplastics. Weighing only 3 ounces, it's a powerhouse for hiking, camping, or emergency kits. Just squeeze directly into your mouth or a bottle from the included pouch. At this price, it's an essential no-brainer purchase. Number 11. The Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler. This is a $69.99 game changer. Forget broken zippers. This cooler features a patented flip-open zipperless lid for instant access. Its deep freeze insulation keeps ice for up to 2 days, and the removable smart shelf inside stops your sandwiches from getting crushed. Rugged, water-repellent, and perfectly sized for 30 cans, it's the ultimate day trip companion. Number 10. The GCI Outdoor Sunshade Rocker. For $90, experience the ultimate in outdoor relaxation. This isn't just a chair, it's a rocking chair with a built-in UPF 50+ sunshade. Its patented spring-action rocking technology lets you rock smoothly on grass, dirt, or sand. With a sturdy steel frame, drink holder, and quick fold design, it's perfect for campsites, beaches, and backyard bonfires. Number 9. The Osprey Daylight Expandable 26+6 Travel Pack. This $97.50 backpack is a traveler's dream. Its main compartment expands an extra 2 inches, giving you 6 more liters of space when you need it, while still fitting under most airline seats. With a comfortable AirScape back panel, stretchy water bottle pockets, and a luggage pass-through, it's the smart, versatile pack for any journey. Number 8. Keen Women's Targhee 3 Waterproof Hiking Shoes. Get legendary hiking performance for just $132 and up. These shoes feature a Keen.DRY waterproof membrane to keep your feet dry and a high-traction rubber outsole to grip any terrain. Durable, comfortable, and built to last, they're a fantastic investment for any hiker at this discounted price. Number 7. Coleman Classic 3-Burner Propane Camping Stove. For $169.40, you get a portable kitchen powerhouse. With InstaStart ignition for matchless lighting and 28,000 total BTUs across 3 adjustable burners, you can cook a full meal for the whole family. Wind-blocking panels ensure consistent heat, making it perfect for camping, tailgating, or even backyard cooking. Number 6. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 with stand. This is the smokeless fire pit you've been waiting for, now $349.99. Its brilliant 360-degree airflow design pulls in air from the bottom, creating a super efficient burn that significantly reduces smoke. Made from premium stainless steel and including a removable ash pan for easy cleanup, the bonfire is the centerpiece for any backyard gathering or camping trip. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Camping Chair. For $85, get a low-profile rocking chair that's all about comfort. It uses the same spring-action rocking technology as our number 10 pick, but in a lower slung design. It features durable armrest with a built-in drink holder, a secure phone pocket, and a carry strap. It sets up in seconds and supports up to 250 pounds. Number 4. Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet. A solid, reliable hatchet for $47.99. With a full tang construction and a 3.5-inch steel blade, it's built for processing firewood, driving tent stakes, and general camp tasks. The ergonomic rubber grip provides comfort and control, and it comes with a nylon sheath for safe pack carry. It's an essential tool for bushcraft and camping. Number 3. Coast 2000 Lumen Waterproof Headlamp. Light up the night for $75.62. This IP68 rated headlamp is fully submersible and pumps out a massive 2,000 lumens. It offers 6 output modes across white, red, and green beams, and it's both USB rechargeable and hard hat compatible. For any serious night hiking, fishing, or camping, this is premium performance at a great price. Now, for our top 2 deals, we're looking at the ultimate in off-grid power. Number 2. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus with 2x200 watt solar panels. This is a massive limited-time deal at $1,498.99. You get a 2042 watt-hour Life PO4 power station that can run everything from a mini fridge to power tools, plus 2 solar panels to recharge it. It's whisper quiet, fume-free, and can be fully recharged by solar in just 2 hours. With a 10-year lifespan and the ability to expand capacity up to 12 kilowatt hours, this is true energy independence for your RV, van, or home. And finally, the number 1 early Black Friday outdoor deal. Number 1. Bluetti Apex 300 and B300K Expansion Battery Kit. For $2,399, this is an unbeatable power solution. Together, they create a 5.5 kilowatt-hour powerhouse with a massive 7,680 watt surge. It can output 120 volts and 240 volts simultaneously, meaning you can power high-demand appliances like a home AC unit or an RV oven. It supports super-fast solar charging and is built with a second-generation Life PO4 battery rated for over 6,000 cycles. This is a professional-grade, expandable power station at an incredible price. And there you have it, everyone. 12 truly incredible early Black Friday deals designed to transform your outdoor experiences without transforming your bank account. From the life-saving water purification of the Sawyer Squeeze to the absolute raw power and independence of the Bluetti and Jackery solar generators, we've covered the essential gear for every kind of adventurer. But remember, these aren't just random products on sale. These are strategic upgrades. That GCI rocking chair isn't just a seat, it's a promise of comfort and relaxation after a long day on the trail. The Solo Stove Bonfire isn't just a fire pit, it's the centerpiece for unforgettable smoke-free memories with friends and family under the stars. The Osprey Pack isn't just a bag, it's your organized and reliable companion for every journey, ensuring you travel smarter and more comfortably. Thanks for watching.